So I bought a set of these Oldtimer enduro reproduction bags. They're excellent quality. I haven't mounted them up yet. One thing that I wasn't totally happy with were the lights that they came with. So this one on the left is it's like a cheap Hella knockoff. The bezels are plastic. The lens on both of them are plastic, but the backing plate is also plastic. And they're just okay. They're probably fine for most people, but I plan on taking this bike on a really long trip, and I just wanted some better quality lights. So I bought a pair of these Hellas. They were cheap. I think it was like $30 with shipping, even though I had to ship them from England. They have a metal anyway, bezel. Plastic lens, just like the other one, but it also has a metal backing plate. However, I wanted some more modern lighting. And these, they come with just these standard bulb holders, but they don't put off much light. They're kind of more for show than anything. So here's what I did. Here's the part number for those Hellas. If you're interested in buying them, here's my new Hella that I modified, and this is the other Hella I still have yet to modify. I just wanted to show the difference. That still has the old bulb holder in place, and this one I removed the bulb holder and I drilled out a large center hole for the wiring and for the LED light board, and then these two holes are new for mounting, since the LED light board covered up the old mounting holes. These are the lights I used. They're from Custom Dynamics. There's the part number. I was kind of skeptical because they were cheap, but I'm so far really happy with them. They're really bright and I think they'll do the job. These LED lights come with this 3M double stick tape. I'm going to try that first. I was going to just epoxy it in place, but I don't know. That way, if I have a LED light board go bad, it'd be a lot easier, I think, to get the old one off this 3M double stick versus epoxied in place. And worst case, if it fails, I'll just epoxy it anyway. But this is not done yet, just to kind of show you what it looks like. So here's the reassembled light with the LED light board installed. I've got a 12-volt battery here. I'll hook it up and show you how it works. So here it is. I've got it wired up right now on a 12-volt battery. It's got 3 wires, a ground, and then a low brightness for like a running light, and then a high brightness for a turn signal or a brake light. So right now it's on the dim, and I'm just going to apply power to the bright to kind of give you an idea. I guarantee that it's not going to look as good in the video as it does in person, and these are very directional too. Even like looking at it from the side, it's okay, but when you look at the light straight on, it's much brighter even yet. So I think they'll work pretty good, but much better than what was with it anyway, and they don't draw hardly any power, so exactly what I wanted. Thanks.